Now let's talk about NeoLife's fiber tablets. But before I do, let's talk about what fiber is, the different types of fiber, and what the latest research says on the health benefits of dietary fiber. Fiber is a fundamental part of a healthy diet if people are eating whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. However, more people are eating ultra-processed foods. And the first thing that happens to ultra-processed foods is that the fiber is stripped away. Here are the overall benefits of dietary fiber. It promotes weight loss, acts as a prebiotic for a microbiome. It helps with regularity. It helps reduce toxin load. It also lowers blood pressure. It helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels, and it reduces cholesterol levels. There are two different types of fiber, insoluble fiber and soluble fiber. Fruits and vegetables contain both types of fiber. For example, apples are known to have soluble fiber, but they also contain cellulose, which is an insoluble fiber. Now, insoluble fiber binds to toxins and carcinogens, so they are eliminated through the waste. Soluble fiber helps to support a healthy microbiome because it acts as a prebiotic for the microorganisms in our gut. Now, there's been a lot of research on the benefits of dietary fiber. For example, both types of dietary fiber help with weight loss. In fact, dietary fiber is a predictor of weight loss. In a recent study on dietary fiber and weight loss, researchers found that it didn't really matter what people ate as long as they got enough fiber. Because if they consumed enough fiber, then they were more likely to lose weight. So the bottom line is the more fiber we eat, the more likely we are to lose weight. Also, dietary fiber helps with satiety, or how full we feel. For example, the amount of calories absorbed from fiber-rich foods are much lower than foods that do not contain fiber, like ultra-processed foods. Plus, soluble fiber slows down the rate in which food is absorbed, making us feel full longer. So fiber helps with satiety. And there have been multiple studies on dietary fiber and heart health. For example, there was a recent global study that showed that fiber can be used as a treatment for reducing blood pressure. In addition, several studies have shown that dietary fiber, specifically soluble fiber, reduces LDL, or bad cholesterol. And there's been many studies on dietary fiber and blood sugar. Because the body does not absorb and break down fiber, it does not cause a spike in blood sugar like other carbohydrates. So the more fiber we eat, the more stable our blood sugar will be. And because dietary fiber regulates blood sugar, it can be used as a therapeutic intervention or treatment for type 2 diabetes. The studies show that dietary fiber reduces diabetic complications, improves quality of life, and helps people live longer. Now, the World Health Organization recommends that people get 25 grams a day of fiber. They don't distinguish between soluble or insoluble fiber, just that people should get a total of 25 grams of fiber per day. Although the traditional African diet is high in fiber, African consumers have increasingly purchased unhealthy ultra-processed foods over the past 50 years, especially in urban settings. This increasing reliance on processed foods has led to a decrease in fiber consumption, which in turn has led to an increase in obesity and other chronic health issues in Africa. For example, a recent study of people in South Africa showed that about 63% of South Africans are already living in urban areas, and the number is expected to rise to 71% by 2030. As part of this ongoing urbanization process, people tend to adopt more Western dietary patterns, which means much less fiber is consumed, and likewise, there's a dramatic increase in chronic illnesses. Now, NeoLife's fiber tablets contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Again, the soluble fiber helps to support a healthy microbiome because it acts as a prebiotic for the microorganisms in our gut. Increasing dietary fiber counteracts the detrimental effects of modern ultra-processed food. Our fiber tablets promote optimal intestinal function and support regularity. Also, our fiber tablets contribute to a pleasant feeling of fullness when taken with a full glass of water prior to a meal, and they can be used to benefit in a weight management program. Each serving of 4 tablets provides 2 grams of dietary fiber. For best results, it's ideal to take the tablets with a glass of water right before each meal. Now, we've had hundreds of testimonials on the benefits of NeoLife's fiber tablets. They work quickly, and are effective for many issues. For best results, people take our fiber tablets right before each meal with water, and when they do, they see numerous health benefits within a few weeks of taking the product regularly.